hand and told me what I'd miss. I didn't know the meaning of love and tender kiss. You were so insistent. You said don't be afraid. To love is to be happy, and love will never fade. And so I loved, but you went astray. Now I can't help but wonder, didn't you say that you'd love me only? Didn't you say I'm your one and only? But now you're gone, I'm left with my sorrow, with no joy today and no love tomorrow. You were so untrue to the love that we knew. I cannot believe it. It just cannot be true that you could see me suffer after all we have been through. You were only playing a game of love charade. You had to keep me guessing as in a masquerade. Why did you lie? You shouldn't have. If you were only playing with my tender love, oh my faithless lover, didn't you say you'd be mine forever? You taught me love, but didn't say the cost. How much it hurts one to find that love is lost. How time has flown. You used to kiss me gently. I should have known that you'd only leave